Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos and have another bag to review. This is an unbagging of a Mystery Ranch Superset 24. I bought this to replace one of my older bags, my gym bag, for my gym experiences, because right now my other bag is actually getting pretty old. It comes in a 24 liter and there's also a 32 liter, but I don't really believe I need that. 32 liter, they market it as probably more for like outdoor sports, whether it's rock climbing, you know, that type of sports. But this one's basically a gym bag. So let's talk about it. All right, the color is mineral gray. As you can see, it's got side pockets. Very cool. And then inside is an inner side pocket too. One pocket, two pockets. And there's a zipper inside that. I did not know that. How do I get to that one? Oh, in it. Like that. So again, inside pocket right there. One pocket, two pockets inside there. And then another pocket in there. On the opposite side, again, another zipper. And this one, just one big pocket. Oh, it's got an actual another pocket inside of it. Maybe for like a water bottle or something like that. Interesting. Carrying handle. Let's look at the straps. Straps, they're all right. They will do what they need. Lots of foam. Not really designed to do something like, you know, hiking or climbing probably. But again, for urban, yes, perfect. And then we get into the top. First thing you notice is you have a hasp, and that opens it up, and then you have a big drop bag, if you want to use that word. And it also has the ability to do, let's see how I do that. Unlock, and then it has a full size zipper to get inside the bag. Inside the bag again, you've got a laptop carrier, a big pouch, side pocket here in the inner side. Anything on the opposite side? No. Fairly large inside. Again, this is supposed to be 25 liter. So this is the Mystery Ranch Superset 24. Ideally great for a gym bag. Sometimes I buy stuff and I'm not very happy with it. Other times I buy stuff and I'm like, yeah, this was a good purchase. This is a good purchase. And if you buy it now, it's on sale. Both at the Mystery Ranch, they have like 20-25% off. And even on Amazon, I'm seeing that it's off the same model. So please like, subscribe, and continue to follow my adventures and my unboxings or unbaggings. I've got one or two more scheduled for the week. And then this weekend is Thanksgiving weekend coming up. So I'll be doing some traveling. And I'm going to do some adventure videos. Again, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.